What's up, internet people? Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and if you know anything about me, it's that I absolutely love noodles. I'm obsessed. I also happen to love Chinese food. So what better way to combine one of my two favorite things than with a classic, simple, easy vegetable lo mein. Let's get into it. First, we'll get a pot of water going for our noodles before prepping our veggies. Of course, you can use pretty much whatever's in your fridge. For me, that would be carrots, mushrooms, bamboo shoots, red bell peppers, and my absolute favorite, broccoli. I typically just make bite-sized chunks of everything. Feel free to shred those carrots if that's what you're into. Get a large pan and set the stove to high. Drizzle in a bit of your favorite oil, in my case that is sesame. Go ahead and finally chop some ginger and a few cloves of garlic. Throw those bad boys into the pan and saute for about a minute. Now chuck in those fresh veggies and toss them around a bit to get them nice and coated. Then just saute that whole thing for about 5 minutes. Now what better noodle to use for a lo mein than a lo mein noodle? You can find these and other versions at your Asian food store or just at the Asian section in your grocery store. Just follow package instructions. For mine, I'm going to be boiling it for about 4 minutes. Make sure you rinse them really well in cold water. This stops the cooking process so they don't get all mushy and fall apart. Now we'll add them in with our veggies and toss it all together. Now all we need is our sauce, and for that we'll grab a bowl and mix in some brown sugar, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and pepper. I'm also going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes just to give it a nice little oomph. Let's pour that amazing concoction into our pan and mix it well. We want to make sure that the sauce is coating everything and then continue to fry this for a couple more minutes. We want to make sure that sauce has plenty of time to soak up into the noodles and the veggies. All right, looks like there's no leftover sauce hanging out on the bottom, so let's plate this dish.
Get a carrot in there. Oh. You really can't beat noodles. You really can't. It has that deep, rich, complex flavors you come to expect. Just reminds me of going to Chinese buffets as a kid. It's just great.
Well, that about does it for me today. Let me know how your attempts went in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wonderful plant-based content. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Saucy Cat.
Oh, God.